they were talking about the neuron, the nervous system, and nerve impulses. So the nervous system is a system collects information about your internal and external body, and it will process the information and then react to what it's supposed to do from the information. So like if you looked at something or smelled something or tasted something, it would send information to your brain. And there, as you can see on this diagram, there are different points of the brain that would react to this. So if you picked up a pencil, it would send information to the touch and pressure point of the brain, and then you would react to whatever you were going to do with the pencil.
This is a neuron, and neurons are cells that transmit impulses or your information about the objects you've touched, smelt, or heard to your nervous system.
Okay, back to what the function of like a neuron. Okay, an example of using a neuron is like say when you pick up a cold Coke can, it sends your neuron sends an impulse all the way up to your touch and your pressure, the part of your nervous system. And then say when you drink the Coke and it tastes tart or sweet, it tastes pretty good, it'll send it to your taste neuron, which is just below your touch and pressure. Sometimes you can send neurons from your taste to your touch and your pressure.
That's pretty cool. Okay, so the last thing I have to talk about is the nerve impulse, and the impulse is when it begins with a neuron, it is stimulated by a particle or the environment, and so when you like touch something or like it rains, it will send impulse